Can you really homeschool your child or children without a teaching degree or experience in education? That's what we're going to be exploring in this video. So, parents, guardians, you have been teaching your children since they were born. You have been with them every step of the way. You are their greatest advocate, their greatest cheerleader. You have everything it takes to help your child to succeed in their home education. Parents absolutely can homeschool their children and do it incredibly well. Children can be successful learners at home with you as their support. So it's not like the traditional teaching system where you need to know all of the answers and input information into your children. You are guiding and facilitating your child and even learning alongside with them, which is lots of fun too. So don't feel that you need to have all of the answers. We have so much information at our fingertips now, and there are wonderful support groups out there to help home educating families. There are fantastic and in-depth curriculums available online to help you. There is support within co-op groups, online tutors. There are even teachers who offer co-ops and homeschooling programs. So don't feel that you need to have all of the information. There is support out there for you. So do seek that support. You can get onto Facebook and Instagram and join any local groups in your area to find out what is happening in your community and do get involved. As a home educating parent, you are not recreating school at home. Trust me, as a teacher of 15 years, converting to a homeschool parent has been quite a challenge. I feel it can sometimes be easier for parents to become home educating parents, even more so than qualified teachers, because in my experience, I've had to unschool myself because for so many years I have been focusing on curriculum, meeting standards, assessing children, doing all of these things that is different to being at home. And you have the opportunity to start from scratch, to really focus on your child, where they are at, their social, emotional needs, their confidence, and building their self esteem. What your child needs is you. You are there to guide and support them and to learn alongside with them. It's actually a really fun experience to learn new things with your child and to see them light up. And you are more than qualified to be their home educating parent. So please don't be afraid. You can do this. There are so many families all around the world doing this, and they have been for such a long time. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. You can go online and the national curriculums will be available to you. You can see what the expectations are if that's what you want. There are teachers out there who can support with planning and mentoring. That's something that I'll be looking into in the future as well. So do keep me on your radar. But please don't feel that you're not equipped. You absolutely are. So do join up with your local Facebook groups, connect with community, join a co-op and get out there. You can do this. What's the worst that can happen? It doesn't work out and your child can always return to school. So take this opportunity, give it a go, leave the expectations at the door. It doesn't have to be perfect. If your child has been in the system, it's important to give some time to unschool and to unwind from school, really take a break and have some fun activities. Let them find their joy again, find their spark again, and let them create, let them be, get them outside in nature. If you're starting out from scratch, really tune in to what your child is interested in. The greatest success that you will have with your child is doing things that interest them, and that will be their greatest motivator. So if your child loves Lego, for example, why not create literacy and numeracy or science experiments around Lego? You can definitely do it. We need to be creative as home educating parents. Get your child involved, ask them what they would like to learn, watch and observe what they're interested in, what they like to play with, and weave in learning through their play. There are teachers and educators available online to tutor, in-person tutoring, there is coaching available. it's really growing and expanding. There's online programs, online curriculums that you can sign up to, iPad apps. Like it's really endless. The sky is the limit, and you don't have to do it all at once. So it's baby steps. Find your way, take time to unschool, have a break from specific set structure, and kind of treat it like a bit of a school holiday break while you're getting on top of things. In my experience, we love an unschooling method for home educating. So we are learning through everyday life, cooking, going out into the local community, arts and crafts, joining up with local groups and gardening groups, going to events at the library and our local co op. In home education, there is no one size fits all. Every family's daily routine or weekly routine will be different, and that's completely okay. And that is what home education is all about. You are creating a tailored learning experience for your child or children. It's tailored to them. So they are unique individuals, so it will look different. Try not to compare to other families or other children, those in the system or out. Every child learns in their own way and at their own time. So take the comparisons away. Know that you can do it. Give it some time. It won't all just happen overnight. It is a journey and you can do it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm really excited to be supporting you on this journey. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them. Please pop them down in the comments and I will do my best to answer them or create content around what you'd like to know about home education. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.